Unit 5E of Mikasa in MechPark, Pasay City. So this is a 2-bedroom unit, 84 square meter. So at the left side is the kitchen. So this is the actual deliverables of the units here in Mikasa. Your utility room. Here's the layout. 84 square meter, 2-bedroom units. Facing the MechPark Sports Center. Your balcony. Nice. The first bedroom. The toilet and bath. And the master's bedroom. With your own toilet and bath as well. So yeah, check out Mikasa by Federal Land in MechPark, Pasay City. We have here 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom units and few 1-bedroom units. For more info, just message me. Thank you.